so much, Nanakai, for your, as always, permanent memories of this function. And hence, to commemorate the occasion, we would like to present a special memento to His Excellency. May I request Shri Nana Krupani to kindly do us the favor of presenting this memento to His Excellency the Governor. First Lady of our state, Mrs. Alexander. Soka Gakkai International for rendering similar services at the Priyadarshini Academy in Japan, as well as for strengthening Indo-Japanese cultural ties. Dr. Ikeda Singh is unable to be present with us. So accepting his award on his behalf is his deputy, the deputy chairman, Dr. Yoichi Kawada. There was a lot that can be said about this award that Nana Krupani has apprised you, Mr. Nana Krupani has apprised you of what it entails. He did express my profound gratitude to the Academy and all of its distinguished members. I must also sincerely apologize for not being able to travel to Bombay on this occasion and express my appreciation to all of you in person as befits the great honor that has been conferred upon myself. Unfortunately, a long-standing commitment at Gakkai International. Thank you very much. Dr. Kawada, and thank you very much, the charming Japanese lady who interpreted the entire thing for us and made it possible to understand what was being said. Thank you once again and many congratulations. A small detour from my address. Sri Karthikeya, born in Banaras, is the head of the Hindi cell at the Mazgaon Docks, Bombay. A senior poet in Hindi, he has 25 titles to his credit, including Prabhu or Paratpar. This award, which is being presented to Shri Mahendra Karthikeya, also comprises a monetary benefit in the form of check of Rs 11,000, which I will now request the Priyadarshini Chairman, Shri Nana Krupani, to kindly present to the award winner. You have to stand tall to be visible. The next award is the R.B. Cochin Hirak Opposition, Maharashtra, to kindly present this award to. May I request His Excellency the Governor to do us the honor of presenting this award for Marathi literature. I beg your pardon, ladies and gentlemen, I got Governor Sahab. The check for Rs 11,000, may I request Shri Nana Krupani to kindly present. Professor Shinde is the head of the Department of Marathi Literature in Devgari and also has written many Marathi songs for Marathi films. It's the Professor Ram Panchwani Memorial Award, instituted in the memory of the late Professor Ram Panchwani, a leading pillar of the Sindhi community, carrying a trophy and a financial benefit of Rs 11,000, and this is being presented to Padma Shri Dada Hundra Dukhayal and is sponsored by Tips Cassettes and Records Company. Padma Shri Dada and octogenarian is a rare and versatile combination of a poet, singer, playwright, stage artist, journalist, freedom fighter, national literature organizer, and of course, a dedicated social worker. I request now Mr. Anil, President of the International City Franchise Federation, to kindly present this award to Dada. And a check of Rs. 11,000 to be presented by our chairman. We are honored to have such a revered person with us today, and we congratulate Dada. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the social forces that the Priyadarshini Academy is totally committed to is the eradication of the Indian Oil Corporation, who, as a part of their contribution towards the social reconstruction program of our country, sponsored Umrah Safar, produced by Dr. Yusuf Merchant. This was premiered on the Asian Television Network, and its VHS copies were distributed to colleges and voluntary organizations in Indian environmentalists. And I would request His Excellency the Governor, Dr. P.C. Alexander, to kindly present this award to the deserving award winner. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Rashmi Mayur is the President of the Global Futures Network and has been calmly. Unfortunately, I will request Shri Alan Divekar, Honorable Minister of State for Forest, Energy, Textile and Sports, to kindly present this award. He is not there. May I request Shri Ram Rao Adik to kindly do us the honor. Mr. Vinod Kamli himself is not present because he is observing the force of cricket in Ahmedabad. It is his brother, Mr. Prashant Kamli, who is receiving this award on his behalf. This award also carries a check of Rs. 5,000. Ladies and gentlemen, every year the Academy honors an outstanding Indian settled abroad for the waves that he's making on the foreign shores, which in turn make his motherland proud of his achievements and his laurels, even in other lands. This year, the recipient of this honor is Shri Bob Harilila, a very prominent personality who has rendered humanitarian and philanthropic services to the Indian community. I would request our Chief Guest, His Excellency the Governor of Maharashtra, Dr. P.C. Alexander, to kindly do us the honor of presenting this award. Ladies and gentlemen, Shri Harilila is a Justice of Peace in Hong Kong, appointed by the Governor of Hong Kong. He is the Honorary Consul for the Republic of Maldives in Hong Kong and an Honorary Admiral of the U.S. Navy. There's lots to say about him. I have almost an essay on him, but
But I just want to say a few more words, if I may. Although I was born and I spent most of my life in a foreign soil, my heart belongs to motherland.
Honorable Chairperson of Women's Commission of Maharashtra, Srimati Prabha Rao, to kindly present this award to Suresh Ji. Suresh Watkar's melodious voice has enthralled millions both in India and abroad. Having started his training at the Jayalal Sangeet Niketan at the tender age of 10, he came into playback singing in 1976 under the music direction of Sri Ravindra Jain. A natural gift of divine melody coupled with dedication and immense hard work have won for Suresh the special place that he occupies in the heart of millions of Hindi film music enthusiasts. Today, Priyadarshini Academy recognizes Suresh Watkar with this very special Kishore Kumar Memorial Award. Ladies and gentlemen, in an effort to keep track of the latest trends in our cultural and artistic life, the Priyadarshini of the stage, as Shri B.R. Chopra is ready to hand over this award to her. Now she is a very gifted
Meenakshi, look at here.
Meenakshi is a very gifted Bharatanatyam exponent, which has won her several laurels at various dance festivals, along with her cultural activities. Meenakshi is that rare artiste who combines academic brilliance with artistic endowments, and is currently, believe it or not, studying for her master's degree, which is really and truly remarkable. Whilst congratulating Meenakshi ji, I would also like to request her not to disappoint the hundreds of fans who are assembled here today. Meenakshi ji, may I request you to kindly come on to the mic. He's been given this award for his immense contribution to agricultural research and for evolving numerous hybrid varieties of seeds for farmers, as well as the creation of several solutions and the educational organizations. Shivamani is the chairman of NHSC Limited and of Usha Power Limited. And as you see, he is being presented the Businessman of the Year award by the Academy. Another special award instituted this year, ladies and gentlemen, is for an outstanding child artist who's in India, Shri Kalyan. Many congratulations to Kumari Sunidhi, and I'm sure she has a beautiful future of achievement at her stage when she was a former government's wife, a very prominent social worker, who's also a writer, artist, painter, and interior designer, all rolled into one. Begum Lateef has been with yeoman service to flood relief work in UP, population control projects, extensive Bombay slum dwellers improvement projects, anti-drug addiction projects, promotion of communal harmony, rehabilitation of families of riot victims, and Shri Priyadarshini Academy is actually honoring a legend in his own lifetime. As I now request Shri Nana Churasama, our incomparable and irrepressible former Sheriff of Bombay, who, as you know, played 2 innings most efficiently, to kindly do us the honor of presenting the trophy to Shri Sayani. Shri Amin Sayani began his tryst with radio at the young age of 9 and became the pioneer of commercial broadcasting in Hindi when he started his campaigns on Radio Ceylon. The most heard voice on All India Radio, he can be heard over networks spreading far and wide, way beyond the boundaries of our own country. Not merely happy to rest upon the laurels of his profession and commercial achievements, Shri Sayani has played and is playing a very important role in Managing Director and President of Crompton Greaves Limited. And I will now request Shri Ashok Chavan, Honorable Minister of State for Public Works, Government of Maharashtra, to kindly present this award. Mr. Nodia is one of the most distinguished technocrats of the Indian engineering industry. He has 40 years of experience and expertise in electrical and electronic industry, which has been put to much use by serving as a member of several professional developmental organizations too. And it is for his immense contribution that Mr. Nodia is being given this award. Many congratulations to him. In this field, we will request the Member of Parliament, our very special guest from Delhi, Mrs. Veena Verma, to kindly present this award to Dr. Motwani. Dr. Motwani is honorary surgeon at Bombay's Jastrow Hospital and Beach Candy Hospital, from where he serves his fellow human beings with his talent and expertise. And Priyadarshini Academy is honored by honoring him. And now for contribution in the field of education, we wish to felicitate the multifaceted octogenarian Dada Sanmukh C. Israni, for his outstanding contribution in the field of education. I would request Sri Govinda Adik, Honorable Member of, which is for Mr. Asrani to his son Sri Roopchand Israni. Dada is ailing and is in the hospital, so he is unable to attend himself. Dada Israni is an educationist with a vision and a man of all seasons. He is an industrialist, an electronics man, an aviation man, a sound recording engineer, an acknowledged social worker, a scholar, and an artist and a singer. What great achievements to one man. He is secular and Gandhian in his outlook, and that's the kind of people that we need to lead us today. Honorable Sri Shantaram Kotuke, Member of Parliament, to kindly present this award to Mr. Almeida. Ladies and gentlemen, before we go further with the award,